Freedom is protected by ordinary people who do extraordinary things. Hi everyone, Mark Behl here, and I'm joining you today to honor our colleagues, patients, and neighbors who have served our country. At NorthBay Health, the skills acquired by team members after serving their country are not lost. They continue to carry their training into every shift. In the moments ahead, you will hear from a couple of our veterans within our organization. They will discuss the meaning of service and the ways it has refined their approach to care, strengthened their empathy, and deepened their commitment to this community. To every veteran on our team, your duty, teamwork, and courage elevate our standard of care. Because of you, our patients feel safe when they're most vulnerable. Thank you for your service and for the way you continue to serve our communities.
I'm Christian Pingree. I'm the head of otolaryngology, head and neck surgery at NorthBay Health Center.
So my name is Sam Shaheen. I am the interim director of perioperative services and ambulatory surgery center.
Yeah, I was in the United States Air Force for 9 years. I served as an otolaryngology head and neck surgeon, 5 years as training and 4 years in service.
My role was an independent duty medical technician. I served in the United States Air Force for almost 25 years, actually to be exact, 24 years and 8 months.
Our society and our freedom that we enjoy is built on the sacrifice of people that were willing to fight to make it happen and keep it that way.
I think it's important to recognize the sacrifice that veterans have provided into our nation. And simply honoring them kind of makes them feel, it uplifts them. It makes them feel good about what they've done. And it makes them feel like the sacrifice was something that was worthwhile.
As a doctor in the Air Force, I never flew a plane or picked up a weapon, but I got to know the people who did very well. A couple years ago, I was treating a pilot who had a problem in his thyroid, and it turned out to be thyroid cancer. This pilot could have chosen to make that a career-ending diagnosis and left the military and gone on to the private sector to do his pilot work. But I saw his dedication and the fact that he refused to let something like cancer stand in his way of serving his country. And he fought with his command, and I got to support him from a medical standpoint to keep doing what he wanted to do. Seeing his dedication inspired me to view everybody that I treated in and out of the military as somebody who deserves that level of respect.
As a veteran, we take care of working in a health system that's so close to an air base. We have a lot of veterans that come through our hospital. I was taking care of a patient when I was picking him up to take him to the operating room. And when I picked him up, the patient was pretty frustrated. His case was delayed and was moved from the previous day to today. And he was extremely nervous about his surgery. So I was apologizing to him. I explained to him why we had to move his case. And through our conversation, I found out he is also a veteran. So at that point, we were able to connect through our experiences in the military. And by doing that, it helped put him at ease. It helped him kind of understand what I was saying to him was, very transparent, very direct. And I would like to believe that it helped him kind of throughout the procedure and his recovery process to know that he was being cared for by fellow veterans.
The military teaches teamwork very well. You are trained to do more with less and to adapt and overcome to meet the circumstances that you're serving in.
So in the Air Force, our core values were integrity first, service before self, and excellence in all we do.
to our veterans, you have done something extraordinary. You stepped across that line in the sand, you put yourself in harm's way, and you looked out for us, and it's our turn to look out for you. If you're in North Bay, please stop by, say hi, just as a veteran to veteran. I'd love to meet you and share experiences. If you're considering coming here for care, we see you, we care about you, we want you here.
I would love to share with my fellow veterans that North Bay is a system that takes pride in caring for our veterans, and that our veterans are also cared for by fellow veterans. We have a lot of veterans that work at North Bay, and we understand the sacrifice that they've made. We understand the challenges they faced, whether it was in the military or after the military. We also understand some of the visible and non-visible scars that they may have, and we take that into consideration when we provide them the care at North Bay.